This question is about circles, and we are asked for the arc length, which is directly related to the circumference of the circle. It says, a circle has a radius of 10 units and the measure of the central angle is 60 degrees. What is the arc length corresponding to this angle? Okay, so one equation we want to be familiar with is that the circumference is equal to 2 pi times r, or twice the radius times pi. And the arc length is just a portion of that circumference. So we could say the arc length is some percentage of the circumference, which in this case is just the central angle theta, that's the variable representing an angle, over 360. What part of the full circle are we looking at here? Times the circumference. So we're just taking a piece of the circumference. And in this case, we have all that we need to determine that arc length. So our central angle is 60 degrees. So that goes in for theta. So it's 63/60ths of our circumference, which is 2 times pi times our radius, which is 10. Okay, so again, you could use a calculator if we need to, but 60 over 360, it's like 6 over 36, which is 1/6. So this is 1/6, and 2 times pi times 10 is 20 pi. So now we just have 1/6 times 20 pi, which is 20 pi over 6. Okay, you might say, oh, I think that's my answer. You look there, it's not there. It's close to this, but we want to be careful. We just need to represent this in a simplified way. So 20 and 6, both are divisible by 2. So we can take a 2 out of 20 and get 10 pi in the numerator. Take a 2 out of the 6 and get 3 in the denominator. So our arc length for a central angle of 60 degrees and a radius of 10 comes out to be 10 pi thirds, which we can find in choice G.